Hey guys, I am back with another video from my Addicted Blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about one feature with which you will never lose your phone, and it is known as the anti-loss feature, which you can enable in your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini to get a track of your phone and never lose your phone again. So this will be a sick video guys, as always, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So first of all, this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is a really great watch in the price point of 6,999, and you can do a lot of things with this watch which other watches cannot do in this price range. Now let's see how you can turn on this anti-loss feature, which will help to prevent your phone getting lost. So first of all, you need to download the Notify app, which is a really great app for Amazfit watches, and after that you need to connect your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini with it. Once you connect it, you will get a whole lot of options to play with, and you have to come to the option which is the tools option, and here if you scroll down at the bottom you will get this feature, anti-loss my phone feature. What is this feature all about? I am going to tell and show you guys. So first of all, if we enable this feature, so once you click there you will see this feature which will show you that what it is all about. So if this feature will be turned on, you will be notified when you are leaving your phone away. So you can configure this anti-loss feature, and it will fire an alarm at an interval of this time, which you can select and configure from here. So once your phone is outside the range with which the Amazfit is connected, it will fire an alarm so that you will know that your phone is not with you, and you should understand that your phone is at a farther range. Maybe it can be stolen also, but at least you will get the notification on your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini that your phone is not in your pocket or not with you at that time. So this is the feature, you can configure it here, and I will recommend to keep it within 10 minutes. Sometimes what will happen is you will keep your phone away and then you will get some false alerts, because if it is within 2 minutes the alarm will ring, then you may experience some false alerts. So better you can make this 10 minutes, because after 10 minutes also, if you are not coming within the range of the smartwatch, then only it will fire the alarm. So it will be easier for you to identify that your phone has been lost. So I would like to add that this feature will drain a lot of batteries, so if you really require this feature, then only activate this feature. And also this is a beta feature, so how this works I will tell you. So here I will set a 2 minutes gap interval so that I can show you the alarm, and once you have activated this, so now what will happen is you will get a status bar which will remind you that the anti-loss my phone feature is running, so that you know that you will be getting an alarm in your smartwatch when the connection will be lost within the smartwatch and the phone. If you remove this from here, the option or the feature will be stopped from the watch. So if I remove it from the notification panel, you can see it is automatically disabled in my Notify app. So make sure you are not removing that notification in order to get this feature enabled. So I will enable it again, and now again you can see that the feature is active, it is giving me the notification. Now I will show you how the alarm will be looking and how you will be notified that the phone is out of range, or maybe the phone has been stolen. So let's find out. So this type of alarm you will be getting in your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini whenever you will be far away from the watch and your phone will not be connected with the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. And also it will say that it will again remind you after 10 minutes if the watch is not connected with the phone. So that is really cool, and it will keep you reminding if your phone is out of range and is not connected with the smartwatch, with the watch vibrating after every 10 minutes till you connect your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini with the phone or disable the anti-loss my phone feature which is there. So if you disable it, then only the alarm will go off, and that will help you to know that your phone is stolen or out of range. So in this way you will be able to identify that. And also if you don't want your watch to remind you every 10 minutes that your phone is out of range or is not with you, Then you can also use this feature, which is the connection lost feature. If you enable, it will only vibrate one time and stop. That will be useful for you in that case. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.